The U.S. job market is undergoing seismic shifts, changes that affect workers at every level. What's really happening, and why does it feel harder than ever to find a stable job? Let's break it down. The Bureau of Labor Statistics recently cut its job growth numbers by over 900,000 jobs for the year ending March 2025. That means these jobs were counted, but never actually created. Meanwhile, the official unemployment rate sits at 4.3%, leaving 7.4 million Americans actively searching for work in a tightening, unpredictable job market. Put a finger down if this sounds familiar. You've been laid off. You've applied for hundreds of jobs, tailored your resume every single time. Now you're juggling 5 part-time jobs, barely making $40,000 a year, living in low-income housing, and staring down a looming recession. If that feels real, you're not alone. We're entering what economists call a job market recession, a sustained period where job openings decline, unemployment rises, and workers struggle to find employment even when other economic indicators look stable. Here's the paradox. Stock markets are booming. The S&P 500 has rallied 35% since spring. The Dow Jones closed above 47,000 points for the first time ever in October. Corporate profits? Record highs. S&P 500 companies hit 13% profit margins in the third quarter of 2025. But layoffs tell a different story. Nearly 1.1 million layoffs announced this year, a 65% increase year over year, according to Challenger Gray and Christmas. Economists call this a jobless boom, companies cutting jobs while profits soar, thanks to automation and efficiency gains. Inflation sits at 3%, but 79% of workers can't afford a home at current median prices. So even if you keep your job, life isn't getting easier. Technology is reshaping employment at an unprecedented scale. AI is no longer just automating repetitive tasks, it's moving into complex professional work. In 2025 alone, 77,999 tech jobs were lost directly due to AI and automation. That's nearly 500 people losing jobs to AI every day. The World Economic Forum projects 92 million jobs displaced by 2030. Generative AI could automate 30% of hours worked in the US by 2030. Bloomberg says AI could replace 53% of market research tasks and 67% of sales tasks. Even law, media, and finance aren't safe. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs globally could be impacted. Here's the kicker. Entry-level jobs, the foundation of career growth, are disappearing. And those that remain? They require experience. According to SHRM, 61% of full-time jobs now ask for 2 to 3 years of experience, even for roles previously considered entry-level. This creates the experience paradox. How do you gain experience if every entry-level job requires experience? The traditional career pyramid is collapsing into a diamond shape. When the base narrows, the entire structure suffers. Fewer entry-level jobs mean fewer workers advancing to mid-level and senior roles. LinkedIn data shows remote roles in project management and cloud architecture, jobs that need 5 to 7 years of experience, are up 30% year over year. But fewer people can reach that level. Yes, healthcare support jobs are projected to grow 11.5% by 2033, and software development by 25% by 2032. But these roles require credentials, and they don't solve the fundamental problem. When fewer people enter at the bottom, fewer advance to the top. The jobs of the future exist today, but workers don't have the skills yet. This creates a skills mismatch. By 2030, 59% of workers will need reskilling or upskilling. Certifications like AWS, Google Data Analytics, and CompTIA Security Plus can boost interview callbacks by 42%. But retraining takes time and money. Layoffs are accelerating. Entry-level positions are vanishing. Automation is rewriting the rules. The career ladder? Fundamentally disrupted. From graduates facing the experience paradox to mid-career professionals stuck in a bottleneck, the squeeze is real. We can't stop automation. We can't reverse structural changes. But we can adapt. We can reskill. We can position ourselves for the future. Want more insights like this? Subscribe to Clarity Insight for weekly AI updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below.